Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready? Open the Outlook app or go to Outlook. Office. Calm in a supported browser. Once the mailbox loads, click the calendar icon in the lower left corner to switch views. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have multiple. Cropping to the right profile avoids confusion. If your calendar pane is hidden, expand the navigation drawer. Now that the calendar view is active, you can start scanning dates or jump to a specific day using the mini calendar on the left. Once you're in calendar view, choose the time scope that matches your goal, day, week, work week, or month, so you don't miss events. Make sure relevant calendars are checked in the left pane. Toggle shared or subscribed calendars on or off to reduce clutter. Use the search box to find events by title, attendee, or location, and apply category filters to surface related items. If multiple items overlap, switch to Agenda or List View for a clear sequential readout. Open any event to review the agenda, attachments, and attendee list. This tells you not just what's happening, but why. If you need to change time zones, reminders, or your RSVP, make edits and save. Recurring events will prompt you to apply changes to one or all occurrences. If items are missing, make sure the calendar is synced, that you're on the right account, and that you have permission to view shared calendars. Finally, sign out and back in, or restart the app if sync still fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.